Hello again, it's Nick here, Rat King Moto, and once again, I'm going to be pounding in the other side of this gas tank. Well, not once again, I pounded only this side last time.
This is a terrible idea.
Since then, I have put bondo over it, and I said that there was a pinhole along where that crease was. I ended up laying brass over it, not welding it. I haven't finished sanding all that. It'll need a little more to make it actually round, but you can actually see that brass right there. So anyways, I'm going to be pounding on the other side today. Also, I've put some electrical tape down here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking off all the paint on the outsides of there, and then I'll be painting that like a matte black, but I'll keep the gloss in the middle, and then I'll have a pinstripe of like copper. So it's going to have both sides indented like that. So I'm basically just going to be hammering in this side like I did the other one. It's kind of a shame to be hammering this in because it is pretty nice, but I mean, hey, it's all one half of the whole thing and the other side's already done, so there we go. Alright, it's getting dark out. It's only like, it's not even 4 o'clock. Alright, it's almost 4. It's always gray out here in Washington though. Alright, let's go back to this. Whew. Hello! It's the next day. It's not raining and whatnot, so I'm going to be bondoing this tank because bondo in the rain, not necessarily a great idea. Might be a fun grunge band or something very depressing, very Seattle for sure, but not what I'm trying to go for, right? For a rat bike, it might be good with that hammer marked surface there, but I actually want this to look kind of nice. So I'm going to be wire wheeling all that paint out of there and then bondoing over it. Alright, got all the paint out of there. It's nice and scratched up so the bondo will have a good surface to stick to. It's probably a little more than necessary, but I got extra. Alright, I got the bondo mixed and all that. The bondo should be about cured by now. It's not sticky no more. I'm going to start sanding that down. The flap wheel on the aim grinder is a bit much for this, so I'm going to a, you know, what do they call this? Orbital sander. After sanding it a little bit, making it a lot smoother than it was, but not perfect, I discovered it needed a little more bondo because, well, I sanded it before I should have. It wasn't cured all the way. So now I got another layer of bondo on there, this time much thinner, and I sanded it quite a bit. If you can look at all this on my shirt and maybe my face, I don't know, probably covered in dust, but now I got a nice coat there. Bondo, that shouldn't take too much more to get that really good. Filling in any holes in the rim, just making it look pretty darn nice. I think this will be good after I sand it, so. Then I'll just have to finish up the other side, and then next week I'll be painting it, I guess. I guess I'll see you guys then, eh? Woo.